If you're looking for gifts for the knife guy, here are 3 options that is sure to fit any budget. This is not a sponsored video. Everything in this video was purchased with my own money. The links to everything are in the description, which may be affiliated links. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. First off, we have the SATC Diamond Stone. This is a great budget option, especially since it's currently on sale. This diamond stone will sharpen any knife, everything from cheap kitchen knives to the high-end super steels. It's a great cutting and profiling stone. It removes material fast, even without the use of water. It's very beginner-friendly since fewer passes are required in order to apex the edge. If you are interested in a full review on the stone, I'll leave a link in a card in the upper right-hand corner. The downsides of this stone is that even though it is dual-sided, the 1000 grit side doesn't offer much more refinement over the 400 grit side. You can check the review for full details. It's also made in China, if that matters to you. If you're looking for a made in USA option, check out the DMT Fine Stone. It's certainly more pricey, but tends to have better grit qualities. In the medium price range, we have the Shapton Kuromaku 1000 and the Shapton 1000 grit glass stone. Both of these stones are great options at a very affordable price point for what they are. These stones are fantastic sharpening stones. Due to their splash and go ease of use, they have great feedback, they're hard wearing, will last a very long time, and put insane edges on any knife. For the price, you won't find a better stone, period. Any stone in this line is worth buying. The 1000 grit stone is a good add-on to a coarser diamond stone like the SATC stone for a solid 2-stone system. I also have a review on the Kuromaku 1000, which I'll leave a link to in the upper right-hand corner. Last but not least, we look at the sharpening stone that you buy for the guy or gal who already has everything. This is the Naniwa 1000 grit resin bonded diamond stone. This stone is primarily for high hardness, high carbide content steels like the CPM M4 at 66 HRC. For the layperson, this means that it puts super crisp edges on hard to sharpen steels. I classify this as a finishing stone and can be paired with the coarse SATC stone for profiling and finishing high hardness, high carbide steels. If you're buying something for the person who already has a collection of sharpening stones, it's very doubtful that they have this stone due to the price, and will enjoy the crisp edges it puts on those hard to sharpen steels. This is a very expensive stone, but it is worth it if you are looking for that little bit extra on those high-end knives. I wouldn't recommend the stone for your average everyday steels. You're better off with something like the Shapton Kuromaku line or the glass stone line. These stones should be reserved for the hardest, high-end, custom heat-treated steels, where you'll get the most bang for your buck. There you have it, folks. I hope this video helps. Have a happy Thanksgiving if you're in the US. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.